The problem with being a new seller on the Amazon platform is that pretty much a lot of categories and brands are going to be gated for you. As you go through your sourcing process, clicking on each product one by one just to find out that you're restricted is very, very time consuming and somewhat demoralizing. Now, how do we do this and check this in bulk so that you don't have to spend so much time clicking on every single ASIN and finding out what your gate status is? Within 3P Mercury, what we do is, first of all, if you haven't seen it yet, we have a bonus content for all subscribers, and in here is an ungating guide to show you how to get ungated for categories, brands, and that pretty much sets the stage for you so that you can start to unlock some categories and brands for you to sell. Now, once you are ungated in those categories, then what you're going to do is then try to bulk check, thousands of brands in a efficient way without having to click one by one on every single ASIN. What we've done for you is now we've created a tool called Gate Check. This is new and it's going to make your lives so much easier. So if you click on Gate Check, you see that I have Gate Check lists pre-built for you. Within this, there are thousands of brands listed by categories so that you can go in and check certain categories. So the first two lists here are mixed brands. So across every category that we pull up, so we pulled up a mixed list of 500 brands on the first list, mixed list of 500 on a second list. And as you click on it, you can click that, pick the list that you want and run the update. Certain brands I haven't ran for myself. So for instance, Home and Kitchen list 1. Here, you see that I haven't ran the gate check yet. So all I have to do is hit this update button. Now, once you hit this update button, you might want to go grab a coffee or something because, checking 500 brands might take a few minutes. But trust me, it's way better than clicking this one by one, okay? So once you do that, you can see that, for instance, in my grocery list 1, I have already ran this check. So here, essentially, I can just go here and filter and click eligible. And here are all of the brands that I can sell and begin to start to do my research and seeing within that brand which ASINs I'm allowed to sell. This is going to be a much faster process for you than clicking one by one manually. And this process alone has been saving our users countless hours. It would take you essentially a lifetime to go through and do this manually. You can even go here and click approval required. And then from here, I can even click on this and submit the selling application. So if I want to put out the effort and see which ones I can get auto ungated for, I can click each one of these and then try to get auto ungated for. So this is going to be an extremely helpful tool for you guys who are new, that are having a really hard time finding brands that you are ungated for. And this will unlock so many doors so that you can begin your selling journey.